Learn multiply by 4. Today we will learn how to multiply by 4. There are 4 marbles in one plate. 1 times 4 equals 4. There are 2 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 2 times 4 equals 8. There are 3 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 3 times 4 equals 12. There are 4 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 4 times 4 equals 16. There are 5 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 5 times 4 equals 20. There are 6 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 6 times 4 equals 24. There are 7 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 7 times 4 equals 28. There are 8 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 8 times 4 equals 32. There are 9 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 9 times 4 equals 36. There are 10 plates. Each plate has 4 marbles. 10 times 4 equals 40. Good job. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.